Hi guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to tell you how can you make your images scroll to the bottom when we hover on it. So let me show you. So here you can see the demo. When I hover my mouse, my arrow, so you can see here you can see it's scrolling to the bottom. So when I move out, so you can see it's scrolling up. And now here you can see as well, and on this image as well. So how can we make this? So let me go to my dashboard, and here let me go to the pages, and here let me create a new page. So now let me go back here, and here I will name my page. So I will make it, write it image scroll. Then I will click on edit with Elementor. So now I will show you how can you make this. So scroll to the bottom. So let me show you. So let's wait for a few seconds. So now you can see here it is. So here is my menu, and here is my header and footer. So I will just go to the settings here, page settings. Then I will make the page layout Elementor canvas. So now everything is added. So now I will click on plus icon, then flex box. Then I will choose this container here. Here it is. And then I will click on here, 6 dots. I will go to the style. I will just go to the minimum height, and I will change it to view height. And I will just make this 25. Here it is. And I will go to style here. And here I will make the background type here. I will go to the background, and I will choose the gradient here. And I will choose the first color here. Let me choose the first color, this one. And the second color, I will choose this one here. And I will make the degree here 90. So let me make the degree here 90. So now you can see degree is now 90. I will go back to widget section here. Then I will just drag and drop the header here. And here I will write website portfolio. Here it is. And now I will just click on here 6 dots, and then I will go to the layout, and here I will make the justify content center and the align item center here as well. And here I will just go to the adding again, and I will go to the style tab, and now I will just click on typography here, and I will choose the typography. Let me search for the typography here. Here it is. And then I will make the size here 40. I think 40 is quite enough. Good. And then transform, I will make it into the uppercase. And I will just make the color here, text color, white. So here you can see. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. So I think 50 is 45 is quite good. So now you can see here it is. Then I will click on here plus icon, then flex box. Then I will choose these 3 containers here, and then I will click on this container. I will make it 33, same as it is. I will click on here. I will make the width 33, the same size, and this one here, I will make it 33 as well here. Then I will click on here 6 dots. Then I will just change the minimum height to view height. And here, let me make it, I think 60 is quite good here. And then I will go back to my widget section here. Then I will add another container inside of this container. And then I will click on this container here and the outer container. And then I will make the justify content center. and the align item center here as well. So now you can see here it is. And then I will just click on this container, the internal container, and then I will go to the style tab, and then I will choose background tab, then I will insert an image here. So now I will add this image here, and now you can see here how it is appearing. And then I will make the position here, let me make it default, and the attachment, leave it, repeat, I will make it no repeat, display size, I will make it cover. So now you can see here it is. And then I will go to the layout here, and then I will change the pixel to view height, and then I will make it, let me make it 60 here as well. So now you can see here it is 60 now. And then same as it is, yeah, let me just leave it for here, and let me just click on the internal container, just go to the advanced here, and now let me insert a code here. Let me just copy this code, let me copy the code, and just go to your advanced section, and then go to the custom CSS, then just paste this CSS code here. So now you can see it is now scrolling. So I will share this code in the description section as well, or in the comment section I will pin it there. So now you can see here it is same as it is, and then I will just copy this, and then I will go back to the next container, and then I will click on duplicate. I will just click on paste, same as it is third container, I will just paste it here. So now I will click on this container, the second container, I will go to the style tab, and I will just change the image here. So now you can see I will insert this image, and then I will go to the third one, I will go to the style, same as it is, I will just change this image as well. So now you can see here it is. I will just click on publish, and let me preview it. So here you can see here it is. Let me just compare it with this one. So now you can see it's looking quite better, but this one is just looking simple. So let me go back again, and let me just click on here 6 dots, go to the advanced section, and just click on margin, just give it a 60 margin from top, or let me make it 50 from top and 50 from bottom. Here it is. Then just click on here on this internal container, go to the style tab, and just go to the border here, and make the border here solid, and make the width here 1, and just make the radius 20. Here it is. And then just let me just publish it. Let me go back here again, and let me check the stress. So here you can see it's looking quite good and better, same as it is. Just copy and just go to this section here as well, and just paste the style, same as it is, copy and paste the style. So just go to this section and go to the border, same as it is. So I will just click on here publish, and now let me check it here again. So now you can see here it is, and here it is. So images are not changed. So let me click on here. Sorry for that. I think let me change it again. Here this one, and the last one here. Let me click on this one here as well. Here it is, and let me just click on publish, and let me check the, here you can see the preview, it's looking quite good. Here it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.